Matthew from John HD, and we're back with another race car. These two are from Hasbro Gaming, and we opened it from last week. And these thing has been old, so we're gonna play with these today. So the goal is to hit that red thing or that white box. If you hit the white line, then you're out. Guess which one is gonna win. So if you get it right, then leave us a comment down below. And if you want to get the prize, then get it right away. So I'm gonna race these cars, whoever hit those two. And you can guess. I already said that. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the black one wins! He hit the red tangle box and the white box. So this guy wins. And if you guess for the white one, you lose. And if you guess for the black one, you win. So that was our race cars. Hasbro Gaming. Well, it was made from Hasbro Gaming. So that was a race cars from Hasbro Gaming. And if you want to see another two, so if you wanted to watch more videos about race cars, let's do it right now. So we made this ramp with these books. And we're going to set these on here and go up the ramp. It might work, but that's what experiments all about, right? So let's start. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Failed, number 1. Failed, number 2. Failed, number 3. Okay, failed on the black one. Let's get failed, 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 failed. So that was our car race memorial challenge. And if you want to see more of these fun race cars, then leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.